I'm Gemma Knight. I am Head of Credit here at Radius. The function that I look after currently is underwriting and monitoring. So we are fast approaching being a fleet management company now. What we're trying to do is become a one-stop shop for anybody that's got a fleet of vehicles. The biggest challenge for us at the moment is the volatile fuel pricing. It's something we have to be ahead of the game. And obviously as well, when we're looking at fleet management for vehicles, we always need to make sure that we've got the most up-to-date kit that we can offer our customers, whether that be systems, whether that be process, whether that be the speed that we get the product to the customer. We're always looking at ways to improve that. So any insight that we can get from anywhere, it makes sure that we're ahead of the game and quick. So we've been using Company Watch now for around 6 months. I'd absolutely recommend it to anybody that's in a similar industry to us. It gives us up-to-date insight quickly. We're not reliant on outdated credit reports or outdated information from months previous. It's instant. The time that we've sort of serviced applications has really been drastically cut down as well. So our underwriters here are making quicker decisions.
Before using Company Watch, all of our tasks were very, very manual. Lots of systems that didn't quite speak to each other properly. So being able to use Company Watch and bring it all into one place has really helped us. The factors that convinced us to use Company Watch were ease of use, onboarding from Company Watch themselves has been really, really helpful. And the fact that we can have a simple view and also a very, very detailed view, depending on the level of customer that we're analysing. We use Company Watch on a day-to-day basis with all of our new applications. We've begun using it for our existing customers in order to monitor credit-related risk for those customers as well. Company Watch has helped us to reduce risk-related losses, especially using H-scores and monitoring alerts. We've been able to mitigate future risk that we maybe wouldn't have found previously. Stellar AI has saved us a lot of time. Previously, any write-ups would have to be done manually. We would have to look into every piece of information about a company, but using Stellar AI, we can get an overview of that company in a very quick, simple to read piece of information. Vigilance has helped us in our fight against fraud. On a day-to-day basis, we obviously receive a large number of applications. We're limited on the amount of time we have to spend on each customer. So having a tool like Vigilance that can pull all of the information that might be interesting, any fraud risks that are flagged, so from duplication of accounts, virtual offices, the way they're flagged up in the system is really, really helpful for us because we can take a quick look, see that there's a problem, and then look into that in more detail, give it a further analysis to make sure we make the right decision. We absolutely would recommend it to our company peers. We found it really effective and it's just really helped our day-to-day tasks.